Gifts on Air helps you in improving sales without sacrificing on profit, retention of old customer, bringing new footfall. GiftsOnAir.com is the only website that provides customers up to 100% cashback vouchers on every purchase from your brand outlet. And that voucher can be redeemed on Gifts on Air official website, where customers can find number of branded products of their choice. And that too, without any restriction of minimum purchase. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Losing customers regularly due to attractive deals and offers available at different online shopping portals. What if you at brand outlet give them more attractive and lucrative offers without losing your profit margin? Yes, it's possible, and only with Gifts on Air. And this concept is running successfully pan-India. Gifts on Air is a name you can trust on, as it has been nominated for Best Startup of the Year by the Entrepreneur Awards 2018 and awarded as Top Startup in Jaipur 2019 by the Silicon India. Gifts on Air headquartered at Jaipur and has various branches in Mumbai, Delhi, Gurgaon, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Indore, Pune, to name a few. Gifts on Air has shipped 1 lakh plus orders till date, has 2,000 plus partners and 70,000 plus happy, satisfied and delighted customers. Who does not love gifts? What could be better than this? So, with Gifts on Air, get gifted for sure. Join hands with Gifts on Air to join hands with success.